Nermala Kenyam, Bia Kamal, Kenor Online TV channel. And the Manduni Chankwas Nyagmali Anong Rhino Guasame, Gurgen or Bane Rachame, Kejom Banajaling. Take a jom chalat, Magorno de Nora Yakel, Kume SPLIO, Ken Chaka Guan, take a Michigan Kulat Guasame, message, Mijakana, Karamadan, Ella Commissioner, Jan Bane Nuakelo. Nathan Conin Shakum SPLIO Chaka Guan, ticketed, take it, let Kenka, Bukon Kelling. And while Shanga Kelka, Pivada Kronkina Dang Road, the Dang Road ditch, and Banajome Banaje Linkel. Ko Nameni, Lar Mishalat, Guarka Jaban, and while a Kum SPLIO. Kum SPLIO, and to pin Dr. Regma Char, Kajodan, Kalat Guasame, Gurjan, or the Yerun Palping Kalianga, Kokan Chaka Guan, Katin Kon Lat Corodian, Kia Kordan Chitok, Kamorabo, Banam Name Banjokula Linkel. Kuma South Sudan Guasme Chikan Warga Chikanagor, Warga Michikanagor Nena. Kanichilo da Shajia along Nathan Jim Morabo County Commissioner Udishalka Honorable Charles Data Bulen Joan Jia Chalat Kum SPLIO Canadian content nak ran Kenyan citizen Kachanga Jandang Joku de Kelka Paibaro Ronkin Dangro Jandang Rudi Dia Jalapan and on a guan me she would would Kenyan Majana engineer wa Nagajaka Morabo Kakaya Road Jenny Kenem Shalat Guasme Kene catch Chetwalk. She come SPLIO, she loading to jerk. Can she Canadian content nak wooden dana shanak, woodame chanak, she the men shalling, Ken chaka and bushke chaka pet their drop. Ya pet their drop or jitter shangach, a general chicola no dongi, dera come SPLIO, a cador take a part in a key bonton one. And on a banaclo tin while I can bond the toe, Kenyam chana con gajino kume. Dung SPLIO she can take a place ko they can Nathan content kulishonga kakel ka Jordan and Charlotte Guasame. Honorable Bullen wajan la kainila kala nishiang tisha talk Jordan and Charlotte kum SPLIO. Changte miti tuong jan bela do Nathan content akana kum SPLIO net content to pin Dr. Machar miti tuong and win mika morabo kanti kodi Kennedy te kelga kirmi yadip. And Winemi take Jidwa ticket and chairman a corner. Ten na station, Michalga NAS, a bon a party metador, and or T la Woodishalke, General Cirillo, Ten and Winemi, T Guardian men take people freedom movement, Michalke feel free, Ramkel Bomatin Winemi, can Kula no Michit can a Kanesia talk. Can the Messi talk? Kakujamo, young nene dialano, menchalat, nation con, Kia Commissioner Dung Morobon, will take a Kuma SPLIO, mission artic and a Charan Kenya, Chajanek a Keneme a catch talk. They know she can take a position co take a ramodecan moikariak. And on a wetting continuating and ramo millet kune dene gang nejeko dong dene gorejan or dene take the bat. And on. Name. Wa jen tactical kakume kirmi yadi milakana gorno biken kume SPLIO biken shakaka mimochi talk ke Jordan Charlotte ki warga dan chikana gor jo me bekake amon ku kono gor gwas me wode kontika ngai ketin kono lat karodian ko titine gor kan ngajala toki de kalling shirka jo shaling gwas me kume SPLIO kenetala ne tetten so chika jo mo chikana lat Kanaman Charlotte Commissioner Kenesia talk and Boarga me bay Nua Yakel Kadobadandi and Lingaja, Kogo Abanaja Linkel. Kajom Shakwen Guasame, Mugorno Bialing, Katada Chicana Latkaja, Dergua and Wodi and a ling, Boname Minyo the Yamane, a bon Kume SPLIO, Chanajome channeling. The SPLIO has noted with concern the recent statement made by Morabo County Commissioner Honorable Charles Data Bulen regarding the unfortunate incident that resulted in the death of a Kenyan national on 31st July 2025 along the Morabo Kaya Road. We categorically deny the allegation made against our forces. These claims are unfounded and not supported by any evidence. The SPLIO remain committed to protecting civilian and upholding international humanitarian principles. We urge the Commissioner to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation into the incident. Note Tably, it is important to clarify the presence and role of other army forces in the area, especially considering report that another group arrived at the scene shortly after the incident. The SPLA will continue to prioritize the safety of all citizens regardless of their nationality or location and remain focused on pursuing peace, justice and democratic transformation in South Sudan. Joe Mea Gore Colin Elam Paul Gabriel Jaram Dala spokesperson Kakuy Kum SPLA. Akan men chalat gwas me kan she talk men cha kwen she talk akan men go ne longa malo de malder tin teram no gano de which there are wal chit ke jo dan en lat ke je and wo china mo che talk akan ne me she talk ko ngai ne roda ano ko kon ngane a chine ngwande lat ke pin chikan jo mo chikan lat menitin gwas me men gor ko na bana kula ngach la cordial talk which and winemi dio je sia ngaje no cha ka wang ameni torbieli cha ka wang meni motori re which and winemi te bont goal tikatin chi de men sia lin ka war gadan chikan gor gwat me but commissioner meni dung morbo kandi commissioner aramimo always la loke kume ayo ko ngai ko na agenda menya position party re wika so Sudan so chikan de rum. Okay, so chicken kuma SPLA yo chicken nok enona so che men di kona ngach ala weje mikelo ke dor dane tinatin ala dor dung ji Equatoria. Okay, dor ji Equatoria ke lu ke jan gwasment tam rai kona ngai kona no chadi ni Uganda shaga nang tin ka ku kore dane chetuo ko kam so Sudan kene kume Uganda chetekarek mdeten so riga mo shi riga to da riga dit but ne ko la chaka ka edich ke dini Dr. Riek Machar kene ko la mala chaka ken wo ke yene ko ne lat karek you know all this thing ngai ke jen wo ke kai ni shi ka to ko di kume SPLA yo chedelo ka men na kana na dadom ne but ne ken ke kume dunke mi yadit de laro yes te kor tekten batele kor mi chikana kula ter ba kulo keneto chikan gwad mi chikana yan maj la jene na ba ko yan maj gonten kono tekten bare de kono weekend go kunete ku ken target chike ken ko ken jidwar kontin ten chide me shana ngaj gwege jeno kume SSPDF ken kon la jen bikan ne kontin la jal bikan ko na ko gor kono ba every problem na chitwo gare wana mo ba jo lat we kume SPLA yo do no shi kuma SPLA akan panken la dor tugo ba kulo lat re win nen ko ken goje mo togo ante maka border ka kajo keje lela kuma SPLA no kuma ji Uganda kan e ko na ka South Sudanese especially ji Equatoria kan e ko na ka de ni South Sudan kan woda ba ci jen guda me charwaitin telamala daga kwidien ngoda lalar kan o ne ko na kana kume dung SPLA yo mi mo shi to ka jawran en ngai ka je so jawli kono me amanda na chalat ka tada na shalin ka je hen wo South Sudan ngore te ringne no tele mal machine to okten jen shalin no kume SPLA yo chikane deny en wo chine te ka dor me de ne lel ka kwi utka ki nyanda na shanag mala engineer milet ka project dung dwel gora kana tel ne tetten so kwaje consider no to bonte ko kente kare roban winimi de mi jeng shirka na me bana de kanalat bana shiang mi chine diala content ka pa de SPLA dunke mi yad mi ciran woroje la kana wi yalla jonga jo kuma SPLA yo ku kale jong ke war gara na me we ka yen wo sho mi shirka na me chwaje lat nei telara mi chine nak ne ko te ka gwal dan tekaten chine roda tie ka goten kontin de kume teten nane kume jala jen bo na kulo na kujemi jo me mi chikana lat an ban nyo je ka la radian chuje pero jeno jen binwar online TV channel bi jenyo ngani ko ken an wala shenga kel ga pay badak ron kinan dangaro widi jen dangaro widi dich an biya te kamal